Today's featured car is a 1966 Buick Skylark Gran Sport GS 400. This one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night, and it was a good looking car with the red with the black interior and the day two wheels, the ET mags or whichever ones they were that he used on here, but it's got a good look to it. And it was a real nice car. This one I had another one that I filmed earlier at my local casino, of all places, where it just happened to be sitting there. And that one was a black one with black interior that I show here. And the GS 400s had the same engine that Buick used in the Wildcat. It was the 401 nailhead with 325 horsepower and 445 foot-pounds of torque. So it got up and went pretty good. If you notice, these have the same roofline as a Chevelle or a GTO or a Cutlass for 66, and they were designed to compete with all those cars, and they did pretty good, especially with the GS 400 with the 401 nailhead. They got up pretty good. The racers were using that engine. In fact, TV Tommy Ivo, he used the 401 nailhead engine in a lot of his dragsters, especially the twin engine and four engine cars that he had. So they were good engines. You can get a lot of horsepower out of them with some drag racer tricks done to them. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.